Hello guys, today we are going to discuss what is the difference between process versus thread. So first of all, we are discussing what is the process. So stay with us. So process is an independent program in execution. Why we are saying this? Because it has its own memory space, resources and scheduling by the operating system. We are calling it is an independent program because it has its own memory space, resources and scheduling. So this is called independent program. A process is an independent program. So what is the example of process? So you can say that entire web browser application is a process. Like every instance in a browser, like tabs in your browser, may also be a separate process. So you can call it a process because it's a independent program in execution. So that is why we're calling it a process. So you can say that our entire Word document you are opening is a process. A PowerPoint you are opening is a process and much more. um uh, Video editor you are opening is a process. So what is thread? Thread is a smallest unit of a process. As you know that process is a complete independent program in execution, but the thread is a smallest unit of a process. So multiple thread can run concurrently within the same process because thread is a smallest unit of a process. So you can say that multiple thread can run concurrently within the same process. It will also share the same resource, but each with its own execution path because everyone has its own execution path, but it will share the same resources and it will run concurrently within the same process. So this is a definition of thread. So what is the example of thread? As you can say that your browser process means while you are browsing. So different thread can handle specific task means every thread has its own specific task. Such is one thread is UI rendering and the other thread will do network requests and the other thread will do JavaScript execution because everyone has its own execution path. As I have discussed earlier, so it will allow multitasking within the same process. So it will make your browser more efficient and responsive because it will allow you multitasking for the same process. In the process, you can also do UI, rendering, network requests, and JavaScript execution as per UI lead. So it will make your browser efficient and responsive because thread is the smallest unit. It is lightweight and it will allow your browsing more efficient and responsive because multiple thread can also concurrently handle within the same process. So this is the a definition of thread and the example of thread. So process is an independent program and thread is the smallest unit of a process. This is the difference between process and thread. A process can have multiple threads because thread is the smallest unit. So this is all for today. We will be discussing further more. So thank you.